Hello everyone, this is Katie Jo with the Soil Bar, and I just wanted to do a real quick video here about one of our products, which is the PON, which is an alternative to potting in soil. So this is one of our newer products and we have it available on the shop. I'll put the link in the description below to the PON as well as our starter kit for converting plants, which will include PON, a self-watering pot, and also a little cute little scoop to help you with your repotting of plants. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So what is PON? PON is an inorganic media that consists of lava rock, and I just rinsed this, so that's why it looks a little bit wet. Lava rock, pumice, scoria, zeolite, and it also has 8 months of slow release plant food in it, and some other key ingredients that make for a really great and nutritious mix. It also has a balanced weight to it. So it's similar to repotting your plant in a semi-hydroponic system that a lot of people have heard of LECA or Hydroton, except for this is heavier, it's weightier. So your plant is really well supported in this. And it also retains a little bit of water. So what you want to do is you want to take your plant, and this one I've already unpotted from traditional soil. As you can see, there's lots of dirt still on there and on the roots. That is totally fine. Unlike LECA, which can be a little finicky and you really have to work at it to get that dirt off of those roots, this guy is going to be just a-okay. So I'm going to put 2 in there, I think. I'm just going to kind of put it at the level that I think I want it. Hold it there. And then I'm going to start putting in the PON. And with these self-watering planters, here's the inner part, and then this is the outer pot. As you can see, this one just rests in there. And the nice thing is it also has this gauge here that when you fill this up with water, I'll show you in a minute once we're done, but it'll tell you how much water is in it. So I'm just kind of holding it at the right level and filling it in. And what I'm not using right now, which is super helpful, is the little scoop that is included in the starter pack if you decide to purchase one from our Etsy shop, the Soil Bar. And then that way you can save your hands from getting all dirty. And it also helps kind of get in these little crevices and corners. So this is honestly, I think, the best kept secret to repotting plants. It allows you to be able to go on vacation because it has that water reservoir for your plant. And it also, you're not going to have that same issue with pest control. Just giving it a little shake here. So things like fungus gnats, which require soil in order to lay their eggs, now you won't have to deal with that anymore. Also, you can use this for years and years to come. You just want to rinse it, sift it, and then you can reuse it. So it's totally worth the investment. I'll pull the camera back here a little bit. Also, it just looks really pretty. It's got materials in here that help hold on and pull away possible root rot or bacteria-related stuff that could be going on in there. I mean, plants just thrive in this, and it's a pretty decent weight. So as you can see, those are already, this monstera is already being held up very nicely. So now all I'm going to do is pour some water into this little section here. You can see that little stick starting to rise. There we go. And that's how I know I've put in adequate water, and also it lets me know when it's time to refill it. And that is all you do. So we used about a quart for this particular pot that I want to say is about 5 inches in diameter. The exact dimensions will be on the link to the listing. So when you purchase the kit, the starter kit, you will get a quart, just enough to fill this pot, the pot, and like I said, the scoop. and a little instruction manual that tells you exactly what to do, and a link to our YouTube video and channel so that you can see all of our fun content as we continue on this fun planty journey. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy planting.